Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make an audio ID public in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, you gotta check your profile. Okay, make sure that your profile is verified. Okay, you can go to the top, click on the gear icon, and click on settings. And then in here, just make sure that everything is verified, including your email, birthday, or some regions require you to verify your phone number, so verify everything. Okay, and then once you're verified, go ahead over to create right here at the top, and then in the left panel here we have creations. Okay, so just click on it, and at the top here we have development items, so click and just go ahead over to audio. All right, and as you can see here, I already have two audio IDs that are public. Okay, so if you want to do the same thing, all you got to do is just click on upload asset, and then under asset type, make sure that it is set to audio, and then just make sure that you upload these file formats. Okay, mp3, .ogg, FLAC, and WAV. Okay, also audio uploads must be less than 7 minutes, and the maximum size per file is 20 MB. So do keep that in mind if you don't want errors. Okay, so I'm just going to click on upload right here. So this file, open, and as you can see here, we now have the file name. Now go to scroll down, change the name right here if you want to. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in a description. This is me saying subscribe. Okay, now scroll down and just click on upload. Wait for it. So as you can see here, it is not yet here in the list. So what you'll do, refresh the page, wait a bit, you'll be able to see it. But the problem here, it doesn't got the check mark. So what do we do next? So just go ahead and click on the MP3 file, wait a bit, you have the asset privacy, scroll down, and most importantly, we have distribution. Now, the longer or the larger the file size of your upload, the longer it is to be distributed, or this toggle right here to be enabled. Okay, the shorter the file size, it will be fast. So I'm just going to show you right here. This one is about 2 seconds long, MP3. Now we still don't have the green button. So what you'll do is just basically restart or refresh the page, and you should be able to see it right here. If not, if it says here, still unavailable at this time, please check back later. Well, go ahead and do that. You don't have to rush, because it's not only you that is uploading files right here for Roblox. They will have to confirm it. If their system agrees that it's safe to use, you will now then go ahead and get the notification that you can now enable the distribution right here for the creator store. Okay, so just patiently wait, refresh the page if you want to, and once this one is available, enable it and just click on save changes. So when you go ahead and go back to the three dots right here, click on it, you can open up in the creator store. It will be available, but only for you. But these ones right here are all available in the creator store. That's basically it. Again, just patiently wait, enable distribution, save the changes, and you'll be good to go. And that is how you make an audio ID public here in Roblox. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.